Welcome to today's episode of Everything is Luxury. In this video, we'll be delving into the luxurious and hidden side of Canada, uncovering 20 fascinating things that you probably didn't know about this beautiful country. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the wonders of Canada together. But before we begin, if you enjoy our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more luxurious experiences from around the world. Now, let's dive into our list of hidden gems in Canada. 1. Canada is home to the world's longest street, Yonge Street, which stretches over 1,896 kilometers, 1,178 miles, and passes through several provinces, including Ontario and Quebec. 2. If you're a book lover, don't miss the Monkey's Paw bookstore in Toronto, which houses the world's first Bibliomat, a random book vending machine. 3. Toronto's Winter Garden Theatre features a unique botanically themed auditorium, making it the last operating double-decker theatre in the world. 4. Hidden in the heart of Toronto is Casa Loma, a majestic 98-room castle that once belonged to a 19th-century electricity multimillionaire. 5. Canada has more than 55,000 different species of insects, making it a paradise for entomology enthusiasts. 6. Beatlemania was coined in Canada, where the famous term referring to the Beatles' fan frenzy first appeared in a newspaper article in 1963. 7. The name, Canada, came about through a polite misunderstanding. The country's name is believed to be derived from the Huron-Iroquoian word, Canada, which means village or settlement. 8. Canada boasts national parks larger than many countries. For example, Wood Buffalo National Park in Alberta and the Northwest Territories is larger than several European nations combined. 9. The world's northernmost settlement is Alert, located in Canada's Nunavut territory. It serves as a military signals intelligence facility and a weather station. 10. Surprisingly, Canada is home to two deserts: the Osoyoos Desert in British Columbia and the Carcross Desert in Yukon. 11. Canada is the proud host of the world's smallest jail, located in Rodney, Ontario. The tiny jailhouse can hold only a few prisoners at a time. 12. On a chilly note, the lowest recorded temperature in Canada was a bone-chilling 63 degrees Celsius, 81.4 degrees Fahrenheit, which was as cold as the surface of Mars. 13. Canada is the second largest country in the world by total area, covering a vast expanse of diverse landscapes and natural beauty. 14. In a fun twist, Canadian police sometimes give out positive tickets to reward good behavior instead of just issuing traditional fines. 15. Each year on Canada Day, the country welcomes new citizens in special citizenship ceremonies. It's a joyous occasion that celebrates diversity and inclusion. 16. Canada's breathtaking landscapes have served as the backdrop for many films, including the spin-off of Netflix's hit, Bird Box, titled Bird Box Barcelona, which takes place in Spain and follows a father and daughter trying to survive a dystopian future. 17. If you're a Netflix fan, there are many hidden gems to discover in the Canadian catalog, like Sam and Kate and The Wedding Guest, both featuring intriguing storylines and top-notch performances. 18. Canada offers numerous exciting summer activities, like exploring the unceded territory of Wequimkong on Manitoulin Island, which is home to the Anishinaabe people. 19. For adventure seekers, walking on a suspension bridge in Ontario provides stunning views of lush greenery and rocky heights, creating a thrilling experience amidst nature's beauty. 20. Canada's summer festivals offer a diverse array of cultural experiences, making it a perfect destination for anyone seeking rich traditions and vibrant celebrations. That concludes our list of 20 hidden things you didn't know about Canada. We hope you enjoyed this journey through some of Canada's lesser-known treasures. If you want more luxurious travel content, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of the world. Thank you for watching.